Wish you a very, very happy birthday, sir. God bless you with lots of health, lots of prosperity, and the same service you're doing to the country. Sir, I would like to tell in a very short format because பெரிய பெரியவங்கெல்லாம் இருக்காங்க. நான் வயசில் சின்னவன், உங்களை வாழ்த்த முடியாது. ஆனால் எங்கிட்ட எத்தனை பேருக்கு தெரியும்னு தெரியாது, நெல்லூரில் வந்து நீங்கள் பண்ணுற ட்ரஸ்ட்டுக்கு, நீங்கள் பண்ணுற ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் மேடம் மூலிமா, it is not an easy joke to run a trust and not an easy joke to run it continuously. You are not just a politician, you are an inspiration. You are an inspiration to not just politicians, you are an inspiration to a person who wants to lead a good life. It is not a joke. 50 years in politics, half a century அடிச்சிட்டீங்க, செஞ்சுரி அடிக்கணும். ஏன்னா உங்களை போன்ற அரசியல்வாதிகள் இருக்கும்போது தான் மற்றவர்கள் அதை பார்த்து அது உணர்ந்து அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அரசியல்வாதியாக இருக்கணும்னு ஒரு எண்ணம் வரும். ஏன் எனக்கே வரும். நான் உங்களை பர்சனலாக தெரியுன்றதுனால நான் இது சொல்லலை. ஆனால் நான் எப்போ உங்களை சந்திக்கும் போது, நான் வரும்போது, I have a lot of positivity in me. I take positivity from you. I just don't fall on your feet because you are elder to me. I fall on your feet to touch positivity. It's very nice. நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இந்த மனிதர் வந்து சாதாரண மனிதர் இல்லை, ரொம்ப இயல்பாக எளிமையாக இருப்பார், அதிகம் பேச மாட்டார். ஆனால் உங்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் நீங்கள் வந்திருக்க அனைத்து நெஞ்சங்கள் வந்து அவரை மனசார வாழ்த்துறதுக்காக வந்திருக்கீங்க. எஸ், he deserves best wishes. He deserves all your blessings. And of course, I deserve your blessings, sir. నెల్లూరు ట్రస్ట్కి మీరు చేసిన పనులంతా చాలా గొప్ప విషయమ్మా. ఒక సంవత్సరం 2 సంవత్సరం అందరూ ట్రస్ట్, నేను ట్రస్ట్ ఫాలో చేస్తున్నాను. కానీ కంటిన్యూస్గా పిల్లల కోసం, అన్ని విషయాల కోసం మీరు చేసేది వచ్చి మనసారా మీరు చేస్తున్నారు. ఆ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది. ఆ దేవుడు ఎప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని ఆశీర్వదిస్తారు. సార్ని ఎప్పుడు ఇలాగే, సార్ ఇంత సైలెంట్గా ఉన్నారు కానీ లోపల చాలా వైలెంట్. సార్ చూడడానికి చాలా నార్మల్గా ఉంటారు కానీ ఆయనలో ఉన్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఆయనలో ఉన్న ఒక విషయం ఒక బుక్గా రాస్తే అది ఒక ఎన్సైక్లోపీడియాగా ఉంటుంది. దయచేసి ఎవరైనా someone, I request anyone, any good writer, because I don't know how to write much, probably I'll write a love letter to him.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடனும் துல்லியமாகவும் தெரிந்து கொள்ள சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.